So my name is Christian Perez from City Pharmacy in Covington, Georgia. So this is an Alma Roja wing. So Alma Roja is something very near and dear to my heart. In Spanish it means red soul. Roja is a nickname that I give my partner. And so it's something that brings me back home with her and cooking at home with her, and also bringing back memories from being with my parents, vacationing in Mexico or in Guatemala. So I like cooking it on the big green egg because it gives it a nice char to the wing. The pasilla goes through, it's really nice and spicy, but the guajillo and the sorghum syrup into it really caramelizes really well on the big green egg. That sweetness comes out onto the actual wing. Our owner, Tito Stone, actually brought his big green egg in. We actually cooked some grilled oysters out for 4th of July. It was a big hit, it was amazing. I'm thinking we're gonna do it again take that big green egg outside again.